Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. So I am here with some Kroger deals, and I'm not going to lie to you, I barely could find anything. Don't turn it off because there's a couple good ones, but really there's just nothing at Kroger this week. I would really encourage you to go to Walmart instead. I'm going to have a video up early tomorrow morning about the deals I've been doing at Walmart, because there's a lot. Walmart's really good this week, so I would strongly urge you. I know quite a few of you have told me that you don't need to go to Walmart because you have Kroger. This is definitely the week to go to Walmart instead. But yeah, but there are a couple good deals that I think you should do. My store's been wiped out of most of these, and so I've not been really able to do most of them. Like the Tylenol, it's been out ever since I've heard about it. So it's really frustrating. But I did do some Kroger stuff last week. You should check those out because I did do some more deals there, and those are all still valid right now. So definitely be sure to go check that out. It'll be in the description box below or on the end screen of this video. But it's just, yeah, it's very depressing. I didn't think it'd be this, just this dead. I don't understand. I am like hoping we get a mega event next week, but it's not looking like it. So I don't know. Maybe. I haven't seen anything though. Usually there's talk on Instagram. I'll have to do some research. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I'll talk about what I could find. And I do want to say I didn't do an ad preview, but I really thought, what was the point when there's really nothing in that ad? There was nothing. Coming up on Friday, there will be a really good 3-day sale. So it actually is really great. So come back on Friday. I'll have an entire video up all about the 3-day sale. You're not going to want to miss it. There are some crazy awesome deals there that you're just not going to want to miss. So yeah, I'll have a video up on that either Thursday night or early Friday morning, like 6 a.m. So yeah, come back for that because it'll be a really good, it's a really good sale coming up. But here's what we have for now. The Kroger acetaminophen is $1.19 on sale. It's regularly $2.19. There's a $1 5x digital coupon. You can load your Kroger card, which makes them 19 cents, which is a phenomenal deal. That is a good one. So if you use Tylenol, I definitely would just run in Kroger for that deal because that's a really good price. The Right Guard Sport. This is $1.25 on sale this week. It's free at Walmart, but it's $1.25 at Kroger. There's a $1 coupon from the 310 Retail Me Not, so it makes these 25 cents a piece. So thank you to Smooch the Cook, Amy Stotts, for this deal. The Kroger brand nail clippers. The toenail clippers are $1.29. The regular nail clippers are 79 cents. There's a 50 cents 5x digital, which would make these as low as 29 cents. That's a phenomenal deal for clippers. Like really great. We never see deals on these, so that's a really good deal. And then the tweezers, they're $1.14, and there's a 75 cent 5X digital, which makes them really cheap. That's a really good price for those beauty products, so I'd definitely go for that one. But my store's been out, so that's all I have. Check out these other Kroger videos. And also, please come back on Friday for the other one. I know it's very slow on my channel. I can definitely tell by the views and by the not so many prints and stuff that a lot of you are probably not happy with the little content I've been doing, but there's not really much to talk about. So I'm sorry, and